So this is our larder, pantry larder. On the inside, you can customise this to suit your needs. So within this one here, we've got the spice racks on each door. We've got 3 drawers below. We can do 2 drawers as well. We've got the scalloped handles, or we could do a drop front if you prefer. These ones we've done oak with the painted frame to match the doors. We've got the cold shelf in there. Normally with this, you'd match it to your worktop. Great to put coffee machine or freestanding microwave. Shelving above with the traditional shelving just gives you a little bit more flexibility and also a bit more of a wow factor. We can shelve all the way down as well if you would prefer.
So handle colours is really popular. Question we get, there are lots of different finishes that we use. Brass is the most popular, but there's lots of different finishes for brass. So if you're looking for something a bit more traditional, a bit more like if you have a country style or just traditional style kitchen, look at burnished brass. Knobs, cups, handles, all in burnished brass look really nice. If you have a traditional style kitchen, but you're looking for a way to sort of glam it up or make it different, look at a satin brass. A satin brass is really nice, although there's a new satin brass unlacquered that's come out. I think it will be nice, but if it's unlacquered, it will age. So that looks really good in a burnished brass because that's the look, that's the traditional look. In a satin brass, I don't know how it will stain. Definitely will stain. If you're looking for something in the more of the chrome nickel territory, look at a satin nickel. That's always really nice. Or a brushed one. I think you want something that's going to have some type of brush normally rather than straight up chrome.
At Herringbone we do one style of drawer box, which is a solid timber dovetail drawer box. Comes in 2 finishes. We're doing an oak finish or walnut finish. We can do bespoke made utensil inserts, cutlery inserts and knife blocks. All on a Blum soft closing runner with a lifetime guarantee.
This is our traditional shelving. Really, it's a really nice feature. Makes the shelves really adjustable, but it's for those show cupboards, the larders, the open shelving, and as you can see, you can adjust it by moving the oak slat.
So this is our standard shelving system. We call it loop and socket. Comes in a couple of colours, which we try and match to your handle choice. We can also do fixed shelving and traditional Z-set shelving.